Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh to the people of Palestine state, my fellow brothers and sisters, Palestinian peoples and civilians in the Gaza, Palestine state. Don't give up. Never lose hope. Keep your faith and trust in Allah. Always remember that only Allah who has power over all. None and no one is above Allah. Soon or later, Allah will seek justice to Gaza, Palestine state. People of Gaza, Palestine state, Palestinian Arabs, peoples in Islam religion. Never lose hope. Don't give up. And keep your faith and trust in Allah. My heart is breaking. My heart is breaking. It's breaking my heart seeing and knowing your situation, your pitiful situation. Israeli bombing children, women and elderly. Bombing hospital, bombing health workers, doctors, journalists, imprisoning doctors, healthcare workers, journalists. Palestinian patients inside the hospital are burning. Children are suffering, starving and dying. Bombing children. Women are screaming. Mothers are screaming, seeking for help, but no one is to them. The world community is silent. They're playing their words of no actions. There's no humanity on earth. Human rights, there's no human right for Muslims. They are all anti-Muslims. That's why the only hope is keep your trust and faith in Allah. Never lose hope, Palestinian peoples, my fellow brothers and sisters in Palestine state. Soon or later, Allah will seek justice to Gaza, Palestine state. Wala, my heart is breaking, my heart is itching. This is inhuman. My message to Israel, PM Netanyahu, you're not human. Do you still recognize yourself as human? No, you're not human. With your actions, your evil actions publicly, where the whole world are witness, with an open eye. Your evil actions against humanity, against the people of Palestine state, you are killing innocent civilians. You are not fighting with Palestinian resistance, but your goal, your plans is to erase Palestinian peoples. Killing them injustice is unlawful against humanity. I don't know what kind of human, what kind of creature are you? Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, I don't recognize you as human. You're not human. This is in accordance to your evil actions. You embedded everywhere. You're occupying the homes and lands and territories of everywhere in Middle East. Your satanic, ever demonic disaster to Palestine state and on earth. Your disasters You, Israel, and United States of America. Until when you stop this genocide of Palestine state. This is unacceptable, unforgivable crimes against humanity. United States of America is involved in genocide of Palestine state. Because United States of America are supporting, funding, and arming Israel genocide of Gaza Palestine state. In the world community are divided. Their words, they are playing words in the whole of United Nations with no actions. They're playing. You are all shame. Shame on you. Shameless, shameful. Step down on your position. You don't deserve your position anymore. You don't respect the voice of whole world peoples are calling for ceasefire, are calling for stop the genocide. Why you're not listening? What kind of creatures are you? You are on earth. You are not human. You're inhuman. You know, in the history, Fir'aun, the devil Fir'aun or Pharaoh is the devil ruler on earth. He is killing children. Only children, he killed children. But how about Israel? Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, he's killing not just children, but he's killing the entire Palestinian peoples, the innocent peoples and civilians, women, babies, children, elderly, healthcare workers, doctors, journalists, hostages, bombing hostages. Israel don't care about humanity, don't care about the lives of humans. The only things they care about is to invade, to occupy illegally the homes and lands and territories of others. Wallahu latif. Sacrament Allah. Soon or later, Allah will seek justice to Palestine state. You'll see it. Just wait until you'll see it with your own eyes soon or later. Our dua to Almighty Allah is powerful than yours. Because our faith and trust in Allah is pure and original. Prime Minister Israeli Benjamin Netanyahu, stop lying. Stop betting your crimes on others. You can deceive yourself but not others. The whole world are watching over your evil actions against humanity. It's not a start on October 7, 2023, your crimes. Israel crimes against humanity, against the Palestinian peoples, starts 76 years long apartheid, illegally occupying the homes and lands of Palestine state. 17 years blockade of Palestine, Gaza Palestine state, and now committed genocide against humanity in the Gaza Palestine state. So world community, you are supporting criminal. The world lawless criminal Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Shame on you. There's no peace unless you establish Palestine state. And Jerusalem is the capital of Palestine state. Period. Allahumma amin ya Allah subhanallah.